Welcome to ABC GROK. Join Luno and Tria on magical ABC adventures filled with learning, laughter, and love. We remember our friend Diro through every smile, every letter, and colorful fun and magical discoveries.
Wow, Tria, this lab is amazing. It is. So many experiments to try. Look, the potions are bubbling. Let's check the test tubes. This is the best adventure. Tria, look at the orb. It's glowing. I see it, Luno. Let's get closer. Wow, it's sparkling. This is amazing. Yeah, high five. Best adventure ever. Let's keep exploring. The reaction is starting, Tria. Wow, Luno, look at the vapor swirl. It's transforming into a magical vortex. Amazing, so many sparkling particles. Okay, let's connect the positive side. Right, and I'll do the ground. Here we go. It works, we did it. Yay! Science is so cool. Wow, Tria, look at that DNA helix. It's amazing, Luno. Let's go explore. Yes, I lied to Mom what it does. Touching it now. Okay, Tria, let's combine our solutions. Ready, here we go. Wow, look at that, it's working. Amazing, we did it. Yay, science is magic. Wow, we're finally uncovering it. Yes, the details are amazing. Look at that skull. And the spine is next. This is the best discovery. Teamwork. Hi, Tria. What's that? A feather. Want to see? Yes, it tickles. Now watch this. Wow, my turn. Let's play. Wow, Tria, look at all these bubbles. This lab is amazing. Let's explore over here. Okay, this side looks cool too. So much science. Yeah! Okay, Tria, let's try the Photomatic 50s and yeah, I'm ready for an adventure. Wow, look at it go. So cool. High five.
J is for Joule.
A joule measures energy.
K is for kinetic energy. It is the energy of motion.
L is for laboratory. A lab is where scientists work. Wow, look at all this cool science stuff. I know. Let's see what's on these monitors. This is the best laboratory ever.
M is for magnet. Magnets attract metal. Let's see what this magnet can do.
Wow, it's picking them all up. Magnets are so strong. That was fun. N is for neuron. Neurons send messages in our brain. O is for oxygen. We breathe oxygen to live. P is for planet. Planets travel around the sun. Look how they spin. P is for planet. Traveling is so much fun.
Q is for quantum. Quantum means very tiny particles. R is for rocket. Rockets travel into space.
S is for solar panel. Solar panels use sunlight to make energy. T is for telescope. A telescope helps us see faraway stars. Wow, Tria, look at all the stars. I can see the constellations. This is the best. Let's find more. U is for universe. The universe holds all stars and planets. V is for volcano. A volcano can erupt with lava.
W is for water cycle. Water moves from sky to land and back.
Wow, Tria, look, it's an X-ray. An X-ray? What does it do? X is for X-ray. X-rays help us see inside the body. So cool, we can see the bones.
Y is for yeast. Yeast helps bread rise. Z is for zero gravity. In space, things can float.
Whee! Look at us float! It's like being in space!
Thanks for exploring ABC Science Fun with Luno and Tria. Subscribe, like, and share for more amazing ABC adventures.
learning your ABCs with Luno and Tria. Every letter is a new adventure filled with love and happy memories. Subscribe, like, and share to keep the ABC adventures going. See you in the next magical letter journey.